Do you love big machines? Well, today we're going to learn all about construction vehicles and what they do. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's a fun question. Can you guess what vehicle can dig big holes in the ground? If you said an excavator, you're right. Excavators have a long arm with a bucket at the end. They are super strong and can scoop up dirt to make holes for new buildings or roads. Can you pretend to be an excavator? Stretch out your arms like a big digging machine. Scoop, scoop. Next, let's look at the big vehicle with a tall drum that goes round and round. Do you know what it's called? It's a cement mixer. Cement mixers mix and carry wet cement to construction sites. When the cement dries, it becomes as hard as rock, perfect for making strong buildings. Spin your arms in a circle, just like the spinning drum of the cement mixer. Now, what's that noisy machine with a big blade on the front? It's a bulldozer. A bulldozer pushes dirt, rocks, and sand out of the way, making the ground nice and flat. Imagine you're a bulldozer and push, push, push the air in front of you. Great job. Here's another one. What vehicle is used to carry heavy things like rocks or wood? Did you guess a dump truck? You're correct. Dump trucks have big backs that can tilt up. This helps them dump out whatever they're carrying. Let's pretend we're dump trucks. Tilt back and dump out everything. Whee! Ooh, look up there. Do you see that tall machine with a long arm reaching into the sky? That's a crane. Cranes lift heavy things high and place them right where they're needed. They're like the helpers of the sky. Ready to pretend to be a crane? Stretch your arm way up high. There you have it. Excavators, cement mixers, bulldozers, dump trucks, and cranes, all working together to build amazing things. Isn't it awesome how these vehicles can do so much? Thanks for joining us to learn about these wonderful machines today. Don't forget to tell your grown-up which construction vehicle is your favorite. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today. Bye-bye.